for their family, and they are earning some money for feeding their families only. They are not doing something big. I am the first daughter of my parents, and after a long time my family had a child, and that was me, and they gave me a name Sandhya. And today I am here to discuss about idea that is about mentally freedom of our youth. And as we all know that nowadays our youth is fully pressurized by family tensions, by family pressure, and other relationships. So that's why they are not able to think some big, and that's why they are not doing their internal dreams, and they are just doing for their family, and they are earning some money for feeding their families only. They are not doing something big, and that's why they are they are only focusing in their family only, and they are not doing something big. And second thing is there that parents should understand that thing, that their child would become successful. So their parents should after the age of 20, their parents should free their child from home for some time to make their child successful. And so parents should understand that thing, that their child would become a successful person. So they should give them freedom, and they understand that thing, that if their child has freedom, then he would become successful. A bird with freedom can fly more successfully than others. So parents should free their child from home, from family problems, from family tensions. We know that Indians have worthless thoughts. They are busy in their own problems. They cannot think big. And one more thing is there, that half life of our Indian youth is spending with a thought that how can I convince my parents for marry with that person with whom I love. And remaining half life is spending with again family problems and all. So they are not able to do something for country and for others. So that's why parents should free their child from home and from family responsibilities. Thank you so much.